What you doing? Are you on camera? How did you know?
I'm on camera.
You are on camera and you're so pretty.
I'm taking a photo.
Yeah, you are. Tell me again, what are you doing with those mushrooms?
I'm peeling them.
Peeling those mushrooms.
I'm peeling them. And I'm peeling them.
What are we gonna do with those mushrooms?
What are you going to do?
Where are those mushrooms gonna go? Where are we gonna put them? In the tofu, that's right. So I'm gonna take this and we'll stick it into the tofu. You did a good job.
Good morning! Today I'm making our favorite breakfast, tofu scramble. It's one of the only things that Baby J and I like to eat in the morning because we are so sick of oatmeal. Quick tip for the best scramble, use nutritional yeast, a dash of turmeric, and some black salt. I have a really great recipe for this on my blog. For an extra treat, I almost always serve the scramble with avocado toast. Baby J is the messiest eater, so she eats wearing a giant t-shirt and a bib.
Uh-oh. 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 This looks good. How's your tofu? Is it yummy?
Uh-oh.
Is your tofu yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you making those faces?
I don't know. Just feel like making funny faces. I'm filming myself. This table is so cluttered all the time because we eat here. Of course, I clean it up after we eat, but I'm also looking for fabrics for the chairs in here and the sofa. And I have all these swatches out from the shade store because I'm going to get window treatments, of course. Right now, I have paper blinds up on all the windows still. So every morning we sit like in this little corner of the table and have our breakfast. Actually, we eat every meal right here. This little corner, eat our meals while we're surrounded by computers, books, swatches. So for our tofu, we put black salt on it. It gives it like a really nice eggy flavor. When I first became vegan, I did not like this stuff. Everything that was too similar to animal products, I was just appalled and disgusted by. But now that I've been vegan for over 10 years, I like it now. It's just got a sulfur taste. So it reminds you of eggs, but I don't even like to think of it like that. I really just like the taste. It tastes good. So that's what we put on our tofu scramble now. Baby J also loves it. And this tofu scramble was her request this morning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We ate it last week.
Mm-hmm. We ate it not only last week, but I think we ate it 2 days ago as well.
After breakfast, I usually do some emails and work while Baby J plays, and then we head out to the park. Today we went to Piedmont Park, which is basically Atlanta Central Park.
You're rolling backwards. Let's go to the playground. It is unbelievably hot out. I think the high is like 95 degrees today. We really should have gone to the pool or Whole Foods, but I said let's go to the park instead because we only have an hour out here at the park to play, and to eat lunch. So. I wish we had decided to come to the pool today, but we don't have enough time, sadly. Alright, so since we didn't eat our lunch at the park, she's just eating it out of the bento box anyway. She's having rice. Let's see up close. rice with tofu with peppers, and this has got my really delicious creamy almond sauce. Also some good trumpet mushrooms in there as well. That's a mushroom. Alright, I'm having this as well. So, oh my gosh. It's like one of my favorite things I cook.
I have the same.
You have the same. We have the same. So we got brown rice with this delicious sort of stir fry with mushrooms, peppers, tofu, and Thai broccoli, and a creamy almond lime sauce. It's like amazing.
Can you show us? Will you have it?
She'll be tender.
I'm still absolutely obsessed with the chocolate granola from Nature's Path, so that's my snack today.
So, baby J is asleep. What time is it? Y'all, this child is asleep. It is 6:16. Let me just give y'all the update. The main gist of the update is that I'm not going to be posting every week here on YouTube until I get my life together, because right now my life is really not together. Like, it's the opposite of together. I'm keeping baby J healthy and happy and thriving, but that is that's my top priority. She is my top priority. And then I have everything else, but she's the top. So what I'm trying to do now is to find some balance. Her staying my top priority, but everything else being balanced so that I can still find time to work and make my videos and be creative and just do my very best at everything. So I'm in this stage right now where I'm trying to whittle down and tie up some loose ends, and then I can really give my all to everything, hopefully. But no, I will have more bandwidth to make myself look better, of course, but really just to come back to Sweet Potato Soul YouTube channel, like to kick ass. But in the meantime, I will be posting on Instagram like every day. I post on stories every day. Sending my newsletter, I send it twice a week. The newsletter sign up will be down below. If you're not already subscribed to my newsletter, y'all are missing out. Make sure you sign up. And there's my blog. I will be posting to YouTube. I just won't be posting every week. And before you say anything, I know I have not posted every week since I left Los Angeles. But this is the official, I'm not posting every week. But I will get back to that. It's just that I left my assistant, Jess, behind. And she's editing this video right now. But when we were in LA, she filmed all my videos for me and just made my life so much easier. So I'm looking for someone like that here in Atlanta. Though, hi Jess. Jess is still editing the videos in California and helping me with so many other things as well. I'm looking for a team member here in ATL. If you know of anybody, let us know. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all the update. Like I said, all my attention and energy is going to baby J, and also a lot into the house and my family, and of course work, but I'm just trying to tie up loose ends. And I promise you, Sweet Potato Soul is going to be so much better than it ever was in the future. I promise you that.
Dinner is my favorite thing. Ethiopian food from Desta. I can't tell you what everything is called, but I can tell you that it's all amazing. The mushrooms, the injera, the cabbage, everything. Order the vegan platter if you go there.
I like to joke, this is my new little joke, that I moved to Atlanta for the Ethiopian food, for Desta. It is my favorite restaurant. It's pretty much the only one I've eaten at. It's that good. So, all done. I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys, and then baby J and I have to head to Whole Foods. So, thanks so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day video. Since I'm taking a not full break, you guys already know, since I'm not gonna be posting as regularly, and I'm taking this time to really refresh Sweet Potato Soul and my channel, I'd love to hear from you guys. Do you want to still see What I Eat in a Day videos? Is this still interesting to you? Let me know. Just leave a comment down below. And if you have any other requests for future videos, recipes, blog posts,
let me know those as well. And I will see you guys on Instagram as always. You can also make sure you subscribe to my newsletter, which is going to be linked down below. And I'll continue posting on my blog, so find new recipes over there. And I will see you guys soon. This is not goodbye. I'll see you in like a week or 2 weeks. But I'll see you soon, and I can't wait to refresh my channel just for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Good night.